Are you interested in buying lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, electric scooter, electric truck, just like BMW use, and it costs at least $10? Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This video, I will show you guys a new type of lithium-ion battery in the market. There in my hand is a new generation in lithium-ion battery industry, which is the 4695 type of lithium-ion battery. It is the cylindrical battery. The material is NMC 3.0 volt. The voltage range is 2.75 to 4.2 voltage. The capacity is 32 ampere hour. The weight of the cell is 0.41 kilograms, so the energy density can reach as high as to 290 kilowatts per kilogram. This is the highest energy density cell in the market. Yes, you can see the details. Why it called 4695? That is means the diameter of the cell is 46 millimeter. The height of the cell is 95 millimeter. So it's called 4695 cylindrical cell. It is suitable for electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, electric truck, which need to use high power and high discharge current. This cell, the brand of this cell is EVE, and this is the brand new grade A cell from the EVE directly. You can see the details of it. It has the QR code here. And for the cylindrical cell, the QR code is a little bit different compared to the previous of the prismatic cell. You can see the prismatic cell, the QR code is like this way, but the cylindrical QR code is in this way. So when you need to scan this QR code, you need to use the WeChat app or the other app to scan first, and you will get a code here, and then you to enter this code to the tracking website. You will get the details information of this type of the battery cell. This is the totally brand new grade A cell from EVE directly, and now the price is cost effective. You cannot imagine it. If you have needs for the application of electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, electric truck, or the electric robots or sweepers and many applications, this is very suitable for it, no matter the quality or the price. If you want to know more details about the specification and the price, please contact with our sales freely. Only cost this $10, you will get the same quality as BMW use. Would you like to have a try? Okay, thank you for you guys watching the video. Those battery is all packed well with this type of cell for the export. We can provide the document like MSDS, UN38C report, and DG report. Thank you for you guys watching. See you next video. Bye.